I don't owe a penny to anybody on this world, earth, anything. A nice sized bathroom. It has everything we need in here. You could put shelves, you could put pots and pans, you could do what you desired to do. That chair is heaven. Doesn't look like it, but it is. In the graciousness of their heart, I didn't know I was getting it, and I did. They did it for me. Hello, I'm Dorothy Templeton, and I'm here in Newport, Tennessee. And would you like to come in and see my home? I would love for you to come see it. I love to show everybody my beautiful home. So in my little tiny kitchen, my sink, it's porcelain. It stays just like you see it here. It always looks like you've taken a buffer. It looks so nice. And it holds everything I need. This is, of course, the under sink storage area. You could put shelves, you could put pots and pans, you could do what you desired to do. This is what I did. I store extra water for cooking, drinking, and whatnot. But that has so much stuff under there, it's huge. And this side is a nice drawer where I have all my utensils for dishes, and I've got everything I need and everything I use is in this drawer for that type of thing. I guess because of my age, I provided a lot of things that I did bring with me, and they all fit, and none of it is hidden away somewhere that I can't get to it and use it. I do have your typical microwave, and it's a good size. And then my little cooktop. It is a 2-burner. It's a perfect little cooktop, I guess you'd call it. My little multi-talented oven, griller, fryer, you name it. It's too little for me because I want to bake bread. And if I bake a loaf of bread that big, which is what it would cook, I'd eat that immediately, and then I'd have to cook more. So I'm getting a bigger one because I like bread. This is a 10.1 refrigerator. It has adequate room for anything I want. I am not going to starve to death. Every window in here, including this special window in the kitchen, because I sit there, and most often I am a cloud follower. I love clouds, the shapes, the kinds, the cirrus, nimbus, you name it, I love them. I did that since I was very young. And in my home where we live, we have the most beautiful formations of clouds. At first it was mentioned to me, don't you want a window shade on that? Or don't you want a, like a solid something on your windows? And I said, no. And I pointed out the fact that I'm at least 12 foot off the ground. Nobody has direct windows into mine. And if they do, I have the reflective material that not only reflects sunlight or whatever, and I'm 75. You think there's somebody gonna break their neck to look in here? I don't think so. Half of my enjoyment of being alive is to see my clouds. I sit there sometimes and fall asleep looking out my windows because stars, you can see the stars, the cloud, the rain, the dark, the light. Yeah, I love my windows. This home has been a blessing to me. And it's more than I ever dreamed. I don't owe a penny to anybody on this world, earth, anything. I have reliable heat and storage, comfort. I could say I'm happy, but I'm more than happy to be here. Across from the kitchen we just looked at is I call it my living room transitional area. The home is 12 foot wide, and this is about half of that space. I chose to have a recliner, and that chair is heaven. Doesn't look like it, but it is. This is a little pantry that I had bought for storage of food. I have supports between the shelves because there's every kind of canned good and stuff you can think of in here. This is my mini split, and it's an 8,000 unit. A lot of times folks comes in and visit me and they don't think about my age. I have it hot in here, and I'm just happy as a clam. I do read out here and I do study out here, but what I do mostly out here, they listen to music and look at my clouds. Well, this is the bathroom, and it's a nice sized bathroom. It has everything we need in here. I have the 48-inch shower. 2 seats, and I chose this sink because when I gave it a good amount of thought, the only thing I do is brush my teeth or wash my hands. And it doesn't take much room to do that. And this has been very adequate. I have an on-demand water heater. It's an easy tankless, and it has been a wonderful addition for my bathroom and kitchen because I can steam water in that sink and it's good. And I brought my own medicine cabinet. I've had it for 3 homes now. It has lovely mirrored windows on inside and out, but it has your typical shelves. Big bathroom. I have no issues walking around or doing. I love it. Welcome to my bedroom. I tell you what, I got lucky. When I bought this mattress, I was praying, please Lord. And he came through like he always does. It's comfortable. I have yet in 9 months now had a restless or uncomfortable night. Blessing. It's a twin size, of course, just normal length, and it's high enough off the floor. I can put storage containers under here. I have a full-size double hanging closet. It is right here at the foot of my bed. I mean, I've got plenty of room. I've got all my winter clothes in there. It's only about halfway filled, which is good. I might add to it. You never know, you know. I like clothes. And all my summer clothes are stored. So, good enough. I had to have a recliner back here just to separate myself so that I didn't watch TV. But mostly, if I have company, we can close this dividing curtain, and it's 2 separate private rooms for anybody here. And if I snooze a little bit, it's comfortable too. This is Knotty Pine. I had already purchased my home. It didn't have wood because I didn't know they were going to try to do wood. And I thought, I called and they said, that wasn't your agreement home. And I said, I understand. And then when I got here, I couldn't breathe. I mean, it was just like, I got the wood. It means that much to me. I love it, and I love it some more. It's a comforting, soft home feeling to me. And in the graciousness of their heart, I didn't know I was getting it, and I did. They did it for me. I don't think there's a negative about my home or the community. I'm proud of it. It's everything I've ever needed. And thank you for coming and interviewing me and allowing me to brag about my home.